Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fundamental concept of cybersecurity. We'll discuss what cybersecurity is, why it's essential, and how it impacts our daily lives. Stay tuned to learn about the key components of cybersecurity and some real-world examples of cyber threats. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. Importance of cybersecurity. With the increasing amount of data being stored and transmitted online, cybersecurity has become more critical than ever. It helps protect personal information, financial data, and intellectual property from cybercriminals. Cybersecurity is not just about protecting data but also ensuring the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of information. Let's take a closer look at some of the key components of cybersecurity. Network security. Network security involves measures taken to protect the integrity of the network and the data transmitted over it. This includes firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and secure communication protocols. Information security. Information security focuses on protecting information from unauthorized access to ensure data privacy and accuracy. It involves practices like encryption, access control, and data masking. Application security. Application security is about keeping software and devices free of threats by implementing various security measures during the development phase. This includes secure coding practices, regular updates, and vulnerability assessments. Let's explore some common cybersecurity threats. Malware. Malware is malicious software designed to harm or exploit any programmable device or network. This includes viruses, worms, and spyware. Malware can disrupt operations, steal sensitive information, and cause significant damage. Phishing. Phishing is a technique where attackers trick individuals into providing sensitive information by pretending to be a legitimate entity. Phishing attacks often occur via email, where the attacker masquerades as a trusted organization to steal login credentials or financial information. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts the victim's data and demands payment for the decryption key. Ransomware attacks can cripple organizations, leading to significant financial losses and operational disruptions. To protect against these threats, it's important to follow best practices in cybersecurity. Use strong, unique passwords. Using strong and unique passwords for different accounts helps prevent unauthorized access. Implement multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring multiple forms of verification. Keep software updated. Regularly updating software and systems with the latest security patches helps protect against vulnerabilities. Regularly backup data. Regular backups ensure that data can be restored in case of a ransomware attack or data loss. Let's look at some real-world examples. WannaCry ransomware attack. 2017, the WannaCry ransomware attack affected hundreds of thousands of computers across 150 countries. It exploited a vulnerability in Windows operating systems and demanded ransom payments in Bitcoin. Equifax data breach. 2017, the Equifax data breach exposed personal information of 147 million people. Attackers exploited a vulnerability in the company's web application software to gain access to sensitive data. Conclusion. To sum up, cybersecurity is crucial for protecting our digital lives and ensuring the safety of our personal and professional information. By understanding its importance and implementing best practices, we can defend ourselves against cyber threats. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on cybersecurity. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights on staying safe online. Thank you for watching. For more cybersecurity tips and insights, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what cybersecurity topics you'd like to learn more about. Stay safe and secure online.